In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create gallery in WordPress Elementor. So in order to create a gallery on your WordPress, what we can do is we can head over to elementor.com, log in, or create an account. Now from in there, you can also head over to wordpress.com since we will host Elementor using our WordPress. Into this part, just log in right here if you already have an account, but if you do not have one yet, head over and click onto this Get Started option that we can see right here. Now into this part, what we can do is we can head over and then just log in, and this is what my Elementor editor looks like on my WordPress site. I have in here this particular page and I want to add or create a gallery. To do that, just click onto this plus icon that you can see right here. Click onto the search widgets and search in here for gallery. You can add basic gallery or a gallery, but this one is actually locked using the Elementor Pro. If you want to do it for free, you can just use the basic gallery, but if you want to use this one, you can also use this, but it comes with a subscription. I'll head over and just use the basic gallery and I will drag and drop it right here. Now the gallery has now been added, so we can just select images that will be used for that. Click onto this plus or add images and select in here the images that you wish to add. I have in here these 4 items. Now click on this create a new gallery. Now insert gallery, and then as you can see it's now been added. So in here you can also optimize your images and enhance performance using the Insights Optimizer right here as well. So you can add some more if you would want. You can select some more images by clicking onto this edit icon, changing as well the image resolution if you would want to, and it will be added right here. So that's how you create gallery in WordPress Elementor. I hope this video helped you out.